Now to our coronavirus coverage. More than a month into the Omicron surge, Governor Phil Scott says he's seeing hopeful signs. While there hasn't been a major decline in cases nationwide, his administration says the Northeast is seeing some improvement, including an 18% decrease in cases this past week. Local 22's Jolie Sherman reports from Montpelier on what we can expect over the next few weeks.
The Scott administration is optimistic. This as Vermont sees a decrease in cases by 37% in the past 2 weeks. Now, while the state averages 1,000+ cases per day, state leaders say trends are heading in the right direction. Vermont discovered its first Omicron case on December 8th. Now, the Scott administration is hopeful the surge will calm down in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And Department of Financial Regulation Commissioner Michael Pichek says that's quicker than anticipated.
Which is certainly very good news. The trend down is occurring more quickly than we thought it would.
Pichek adds as cases drop, so will hospitalizations. And already the state is seeing more available hospital beds.
As of today, 65 hospital beds available, 22 ICU beds available. So we've had a trend down in terms of the availability of those types of resources, but that has shifted over the last few days.
As Vermont continues to combat higher infection rates compared to the Delta surge, state leaders say they're prepared. They say so far 1 million rapid tests have been administered since late December, and more than 140 vaccine clinics were set up to help protect the state's youngest population.
More than 50% of children between the ages of 5 to 11 are currently vaccinated. And over 57% of Vermonters aged 12 and up are currently up to date.
Up to date meaning vaccinated and boosted. And the support extends to healthcare providers with 27 National Guard members and 30 FEMA staff deployed to facilities across the state. Additionally, more than 100 are available to help with staffing shortages, and 30 more will be deployed to Vermont at the end of the month. Jolie Sherman, Local 22 News.